Today we're reviewing these moving pouches and pads that I was gifted for a review. As you can see, they come in 5 different sizes. This is a pouch. These are some sheets. Then we have these other 2 pouches in 2 different sizes and these pouches. And it comes with these fragile stickers. So let's pack some stuff and see how they work. Now, how you use these is going to be up to you, but one of the things I really like is this size that you can do a whole dinner plate in. You just open it and put the dinner plate in just like that, and then you can stack other dinner plates on it and you know it's going to be protected. So we'll put that in our box. And then also there's this size over here, which is perfect for glasses. You can put it in right here. Actually, I like to do it this way, where you stick them in like this, and then you can take and smush it down like that. It just gives a little extra protection. With something inside, it just makes me feel a little bit better. And you'd be able to stack them like this inside your box, and they're going to do great. And then for our bowls, we have this type of pouch for your bowl, or you have this right here, this size, which is just a stacking size. So you can put one down and stack, and then put another one and just keep going like that. So you can stack all of your things, and they've got some cushion between them. One of the great features of this is that it is sort of ribbed. So the fact that it's ribbed like that is going to create tiny little air pockets between things, which is going to give it a little bit more protection. So I think this is a great value if you're needing to pack things up either for storage or for moving. So if you need that, I highly recommend this product. I think you won't be disappointed.